So I'm gonna catch it from right over here, guys. We're gonna grab it right here and just work all the way around. Alright, then we're gonna do the same to the side, and then we're gonna catch it over here. We're not gonna try to, you know, make a borderline and come all the way around, then it's gonna probably be uneven. So we're gonna go to the other side and then just, you know, do the same thing we've done on the right side, we're gonna do it on the left side. This way it's kind of easy for you to connect the borderline to the previous one you just done. Yo, listen, one of the reasons why I like using this BaByliss here, because you see how so easy it is for me to just take all this hair out. If I use like a different trimmer, you're gonna hear the clogs of air getting stuck in the teeth. With a BaByliss, it's so easy, just get rid of the hair, so nice and efficient. So definitely would advise you guys to go purchase this bad boy. So next step, we're using the #1 gauge, and then we're gonna just lay the hair down. We're gonna go with the grade downwards, right? So we'll flatten it. The reason why I'm gonna go with the grade downwards, because I need a little bit of shadow when I'm fading it. I want it to be thick. I don't want it to just be like a light kind of fade where it's just like skin 0.5 fade. That's it. It's not really it's not gonna look too good. So with the #1, it's gonna be closed a little bit. Then I'm gonna work downwards, guys. I like to see this bit over here, this darkness over here. How long has your dread been now?
Oh, yeah, I think you gave it 4 years now?
4 years?
Yeah, 4 years.
Oh, wow.
So I'm looking to the point where I feel like time next year, you know?
Oh, is it?
Yeah. We'll make some time next year.
Oh, okay. So that's me debunking it all the way to a #1. I'm gonna come back into that after. So next step we're gonna do the same thing with the front of the hairline. I'm gonna bring this down a bit. Yes. I'm taking this bit off as well, yeah? Cool. Take this bit off a bit. So obviously you guys are new to the channel, there's a different types of gauges that I use. I use a number one, and this is a slimmer number one gauge compared to the last one I used when I was debunking the client's side of the hair. So we're going to use this one. This one's quite flat, and I'm going to bring down a little bit more of the client's hair. Bring it down more. I can do the same with the side as well, because obviously we've got a lot of hair that's sticking out. And do the same as well. So compared to the last one that I just used, notice how all the hair is getting laid down nicely. Right, so it looks a lot more better. The reason why I used the first number one, because it was strong enough to actually debunk all the hair that the clients had. Because you can see there was a lot of hair that he had first. If I'd have used this one, I've got to kind of hold this because it doesn't have the clip on. So with the number one has the clip, this don't have the clip, that's why I've got to hold it. So that's one of the reasons why I use the first number one with the clip. So I ain't got to worry about holding it. I can just cut through the hair and that. I had someone left me a comment. Shout out to you, bro. He was telling me that the ones with the clip makes a lot of noise, and I hear it. So the plastic one doesn't make that much noise. But my thing is this here, I'd rather it make a lot of noise than risk the gauge kind of falling off the clipper, potentially me making like a mistake on the client's hair. That's not really going to be too nice. So I don't really mind the noise, you know what I mean? It is what it is. We're in the barber shop at the end of the day, so it is what it is, man. Cool. Alright, cool. So everything looks nice and laid down. Lay this down a little bit some more. Cool. You guys know about this. I'm going to put this in the description below. Actually, I tried to put this in the description below. I couldn't really actually find, I couldn't really actually find the site where I get it, but I found it now, so it's going to be in the description below, so you guys can feel free to go purchase it. Every tools I'm using is on the description below. Alright, cool. So I've sprayed it, brush it a little bit forward. That spray helps the hairlines, you know, look crispy after being shaped up, and also allows the hair to kind of lay down so you can actually cut it. After brushing the client's hair with that, make sure you have a blow dryer and just kind of blow dry it out. So the next step, obviously, when I'm shaping up, remember guys, when I shape up, I always make sure I start in the middle. So I'm starting in the middle right here. Then I work my way to the left side or the right side, depending on what side you're comfortable cutting at. Really? Oh, you can feel it, yeah?
Yeah. This hair's gonna be in my hair, bro.
Was it hot in there?
It was so hot in there.
Sweat down. Oh man. Especially with all the grease and that. Everything just sticking to your scalp and skin. Alright, cool. So bring it down a little piece. And then lay it down. Next step, so it's going to be a 1-2 millimeter that I'm going to use on the side. I'm going to fade out that line between the 0.5 and the number 1. And now you're going to notice the reasons why I had to keep this bit darker. So closed up a little bit. We're going to get rid of this line over here. Ooh-wee. Alright, next step, 0.5. All this bit over here that you can see, this little line over here, and pick it out. Close it up a little bit, 0.5, close up a little bit, and then pick it out. One of the reasons why I like using the BaByliss as well, because the same way I made a borderline with the BaByliss, I can now kind of pick it out a little bit. Using the teeth, using the corner teeth, get rid of it a bit. You guys here with the hairline now, yeah, notice that I've given them the fade. The hairline looks kind of normal now. Then me starting with the hairline, trying to make it as sharp as possible. So now the hairline's looking normal level now, right? Probably might have to bring the side bit up a little bit, but that's pretty much it. So when you're starting, don't go crazy with the hairline at the beginning of the cut, you know? You can just come back to it.